So how's it going, everyone? Now today was kind of like Friday, and it was kind of just a slow grind to the upside all morning, and I really just kind of missed the main move again. Now I did have a really small green day. It was basically break even, and I actually did not trade SPY today. I took a trade on Meta and a trade on Nvidia, and they were both kind of like the same exact trade. It was a bull flag to the upside. I was hoping to get them break of the high day, and unfortunately they just did not have the follow through that I was looking for. So I walked away with a very small win on each of them. So like always, enjoy the live trading. I'm going long on Meta here. See if we can get this push to the upside, because the overall market is shooting straight up. Oh wait, there's really no reason to not go long here. I really feel like this should make a move up to high day. Come on, Meta, let's go. Let's get that move going. There we go. I'd kind of just like to get out near the high of day. This might pull back in. Yeah, we're in the driver's seat right now. There's no reason to freak out. There we go. Right at the high of day. Can we break it? It'd be pretty nice if we could. I wish I had more than one contract, but I just don't want to let this contract go red. I might have to get out of this. The market's kind of pulling in. If this candle turns red, I don't know if I feel comfortable in this trade. I'm going to get out. I might get out early, but I don't like how the SPY is pulling back in. Nvidia is kind of interesting. Looks like a bull flag, but I don't know. I'm going to get long on Nvidia. With one cheap contract, basically if we fail the 9 EMA, I'm getting out. But I think it's worth taking a light position size on this trade. Oh yeah, the SPY is really pushing to the upside. I think if we get a break of the high of day, I'll get out of this trade. But yeah, things do look strong in the overall market. Yeah, it was a pretty good entry. Again, I probably could have bought 2 contracts, but it is what it is. There we go. SPY just broke. SPY just made a new high of day. Hopefully Nvidia will follow. It's approaching high of day. No, I don't want this to pull back in. Come on, Nvidia, let's go. Why is this not following SPY? Bro, what? Are you serious? I really wanted to see that go quicker. So now to break down these trades. Now the first one was on Meta on the 2-minute time frame. And this is the setup that I typically look for all the time. We had a strong move up and then it pulled back into the 9 EMA and it went straight back up after that. So when it pulled back into the 9 EMA and this candle opened, when it started to bounce, I thought there was a good chance we'd hold, and the SPY was also going straight up, so I thought there is great market participation. So I went long right here, and I basically wanted to see this break the high of day, and then I would take quick profits, and we started to get that move, but then when this candle pulled back in, I got out right around here, basically break even. Now I really did not have a very respectable stop loss in this. I should have told myself, if we close under this line right here, which is the wick of this candle, then I would just get out of the trade. So I really had no reason to sell right here because we were still holding the 9 EMA. We were above pre-market high. Everything was bullish. I really just had to be a little more patient. And you can see we just kind of made these continuous stair steps to the upside. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm still working on just holding trades and not selling them just because I don't want to lose. I need to remind myself to respect my stop loss more. Now the next trade was on Nvidia, and it was basically the same trade as Meta. We had a strong push off the open and then a pullback into the 9 EMA. We held the 9 EMA really well, so when this candle started to push to the upside, I went long right there anticipating a break of the high of day. And to be honest, I'm really surprised this did not go like right away, because I was looking on my other screen and SPY and the Qs were just going straight up, making new highs on the day. And for some reason, Nvidia just kind of consolidated. Now as you can see, it still held the 9 EMA just fine, and then after like 10 or 20 minutes or so, it eventually did make a new high of day, and then it kept on moving to the upside. But I was looking for a quick scalp, so when this candle pulled back in, that's really where I got out, just for a really small win. So yeah, those trades basically ended up being break even. I was up a little bit on the contracts, but nothing crazy. And yeah, again, I just should have respected my stop loss more. I should have told myself if we get below this line, or if we go lower than the wick of this candle, I should have just gotten out of the trade there. Because obviously in hindsight, had I held, I would have made quite a bit more on those contracts. So just something to work on, something to get better at. So yeah, and if we take a look at the SPY, I mean, yeah, you can see that really all morning we just trended up, and had this huge break through the whole cycle number 400. I was kind of bearish at 400. I thought about going short here, but because of the amount of time we spent at 400, I really did not feel confident in going short. And then out of nowhere, we had this huge rip up through it. And yeah, obviously in hindsight, I should have taken that. This was a little flag pattern too that you could have taken. You know, those are pretty good flags set up for a little scalp. But yeah, now we're just kind of chopping around. It's not worth trading. So yeah, just kind of hoping for better setups tomorrow, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. And if you go and take a look at our account, so we're sitting at 506, 507, not even a 1% gain today. So today is basically break even, which is okay, honestly. You know, I had FOMO today, and I think I definitely should have made more, but you know, I'm just happy to not be red again. So yeah, that was trading today, and we'll be right back at it first thing tomorrow morning. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today. Even though it was really not an exciting day and I did not execute my trades as well as I should have. But that's okay. We're learning more each day. We're getting better every day, and that's really what matters. So feel free to follow me and help me get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And feel free to leave any advice or feedback in the comments below. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.